Hi everybody, this is Dr. Milligan. This is your video for week 3 of game design, September 2nd through the 6th. Here is my contact information on the board. Feel free to call, email, or come by and visit me anytime you have questions about anything at all. So please don't hesitate to reach out. If you have any questions, just come and see me, call or email. So let's take a look at our week for September 2nd. So the week of September 2nd, I always go to my plan, and then I go to the month. I like to view my calendar by the month. It might not be the best thing for you to view yours that way because you have tons of classes on one month, but I have a separate calendar for each class. So but anyway, here is the week of September 2nd. On the 2nd, we have a school holiday. Yahoo, right? And then on the 7th, September the 3rd, you have your game due that day. Okay, so go ahead and look at last week's recording, and there's all the details are there, but it's also here as well. So let's go to more. And then this, I think this is just the Dropbox here. Yep, that's just the Dropbox. So let me go back to content. And let me look at 2.07. Okay, activity. So this is just giving you the details of what you need to do. So notice you're going to have to scroll down a little bit to find everything that you need to know. So I think you have a planning day or two before you actually turn it in. So make sure that you understand that this assignment has the different sections. It has a written section and a demonstration section. And I'm going to be grading you based on this rubric here. So please make sure you don't leave out any parts of the assignment. Hopefully you are becoming more comfortable with the way the course is laid out. So you'll notice that this is the actual activity here that tells you what you need to do. This is the actual Dropbox, and notice it says it's due September 3rd. And then activity 2 will give you the instructions on what you need to do. So let's see what else you've got to do. Miss Alatar just sent me an email. You're going to actually be reviewing a game. So hopefully you will find that to be a lot of fun. So go ahead and look at activity 2, and you're going to write a review of a couple of games. It says select 2 genres from those listed in the lesson content. And for each genre, play and or review 2 popular free games in each genre. I know I shouldn't say this, but I love to play blackjack on the computer. It's the most addictive thing ever. So that's one of the ones I like to play. I like to play bingo, and I love word games too, and I like crossword puzzles, but I'm a word game blackjack kind of gal. So anyway, these are the things that you are going to be reviewing for that game. I really hope that you enjoy this. So make sure that you address each item. And then here is the grading rubric, how I'm going to be grading it. So please make sure that you include all the elements. Now, I'm not 100% sure why this goes 1, 3, 4. I don't know where 2 is. So I haven't looked very closely at this lesson, but we're missing something about cross genre. So I probably will not, I won't be grading you on cross genre. So just go ahead and write a game review of these 3 elements here. So then when we go back to our content, go back one. Computer's a little bit slow today. So there's activity 2. That just tells you what to do. And go back to your plan. There's all kinds of ways to manipulate OLS, and you guys know that. Actually, I'm going to go back to content. And then here's what I'm supposed to do. And then here's the actual Dropbox. And then Friday the 6th, you actually have a quiz. Please remember you do have 3 attempts at quizzes. Your highest attempt will count. So if you need for me to reset anything, please let me know. Now, I was going to do a review for this quiz, and I decided not to because there's not 50 questions on the quiz. Please don't panic. There are 50 questions to pull from. So I thought there's really no way I can review 50 questions for this quiz. So just know, go back through and study and make sure that you understand what you were supposed to learn in this unit. And if you've done the lessons and you've done them well, then you will do well on the quiz. Anyway, thank you guys so much for listening to this video. Again, if you need me, do not hesitate to come and see me. Again, here is my contact information. Call or come by anytime to see me in live help. Have a wonderful rest of the week.